the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, before we get today's video started, man, I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man, if you're new. Also, I do have my merch available. If you look under my videos, you can see where you can order your merch. You can get you a t-shirt, you can get you a sticker, and I've also got some buttons that's coming. You know, you can pin on your shirt or pin on whatever you may have, or just have it, you know, somewhere in the crib, in the man cave or woman cave or whatever you want to call it. So go over there, man, get you some merch. I'm also working on some new designs, some different designs as well. I'm trying to keep the merch updated. But a lot of people have been asking for some merch. I'm trying to get something that's unique, something that's not just so much. I'm actually working on like a logo, more so a logo, as well as the Hemi Muscle signature as well. You know, I know you guys have seen the whole incident with Quavo, and I know this is off subject, man, but I don't understand why these celebrity dudes, man, let these girls get them so, you know, out of their character. And I try to tell my sons this stuff, man, because a woman can even make you or break you, bro. Especially if you're a celebrity, just a man in general, bro. You gotta be careful with these females. Make sure every day, man, you waking up and you pursuing whatever your purpose is, whatever makes you happy, whatever makes you, you know, want to get up and get it. That's what you strive for, man. You know, there's nothing wrong with having a female by your side, but if she's not adding to what you already got going on, there's no point in having it. You know what I'm saying? If she's bringing you a headache, or if she toxic, you gotta let that shit go, bro, because she gonna bring you down, man. I'm telling you, I ain't gonna put my hands on her. I'm not getting ready to go to jail over no female, and then I'm in jail or dead, and she's still out here doing what she doing. I ain't about to do that, bro. I got too much stuff I'm trying to do. I'm still trying to get me a Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the kind of stuff I be on, man. I'm not about to just jeopardize everything I work for in my life and then lose it all because of my emotions. Well, I done rambled on too long, guys. So let's get this video started, man. Let's go. All right, guys, it's the next day. So we're gonna get to the point of this video. I done had the Alpine system, the Beats audio. So getting this Harman kardon system is definitely something different. Now, some say it's not worth it. I think it is. I think it all depends on what type of music you listen to, how loud you listen to your music. Me personally, I listen to a lot of hip hop music. Now, of course, you can add a sub and it definitely will hit harder. But me personally, those days of me going down the street and, you know, beating down the block, and, you know, I got the loudest system in the car and everything rattling in the trunk. Like, to be honest, those days are over for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why I didn't upgrade my system in my 300. I didn't upgrade my system in my Charger. When I had the Beats audio, it's a little windy too. Hope it ain't too windy. So the Harman kardon system, to me, is definitely an upgrade from the Beats audio and the Alpine system. And again, like I said, it all depends on what type of music you listen to. Me personally, listening to hip hop music, it definitely hits harder. I can hear every instrument, I can hear every sound, and you know what I'm saying, really with music, it's all about the person listening. So, because music sounds different to everybody. Everybody hears something different, you know what I'm saying? But to me, this Harman kardon is like perfect for me, because I don't want something that's gonna be rattling my trunk, waking up everybody on the block, waking up my neighbors when I turn my system up in the morning. Which it do hit outside the car. Now I'm gonna play some music. I can't play Pooh Shiesty or, you know, Young Dolph. I can't play nothing like that because of YouTube's copyright policies. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta play some classical type of music, and you probably can't even hear it anyway. It's really pointless to play music through a video. I mean, you have to be in the car to actually really be able to tell the difference and really hear how the system sound, to judge it. Listening through a video really doesn't no justice, personally. That's what I feel anyway. But I'm gonna play some music, and maybe you guys can hear it, and I'll close the door and let you guys listen to it outside of the car, and hopefully you can kind of get an idea of what it sounds like. But let me start the car first. Let's see. see if y'all can, I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to hear. Let me close this door. See if y'all can hear this, see if y'all can tell the difference. Let's see. Now, again, this just some music so y'all can hear the system. There ain't no hip hop cranking music. Let's see. I'm gonna put the bass on a little bit, because even the hip hop I listen to, look where I got the bass. I'm turning it down. See, I got my bass set in the middle because the hip hop music hit harder here. I'm telling you. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna bust my speakers, so I keep it in the center. Then I put my mids halfway up and my treble all the way up. I mean, then you got the surround sound, got that on obviously. Then you got your fade. You know, you got the basic stuff. Feel what I'm trying to say? I don't have the autoplay on. But what I understand is 19 speakers in here. I know you got these speakers right here. There you go, the Harman kardon. And you're saying you got speakers on the dash. I think it's 3 speakers up there. And yeah, man, this joint, the system sound good in this joint. But y'all get the point of the video. Again, I'm not trying to get no copyright strike, so unfortunately, guys, I can't play no music that y'all used to so y'all can hear how the bass hit. But it does hit hard to me. Of course, you can add some subs in the back and upgrade the speakers. You can always upgrade the system, but if you're just looking for something that sounds good, that's solid, clear sound, the Harman kardon is definitely worth it, man. Me personally, if I was trying to save money, I really didn't care about stereo system, then I wouldn't get it. You know what I'm saying? But if you want a stereo system that sounds good, that's solid, that's factory, comes with the car, the Harman kardon is definitely one to get. Now, do I think it sounds better than the Beats audio? Yes, it sounds better than the Beats audio system to me. I had the Beats audio system in my RT. That system sound good, but the only problem with that system, when you turn it up, it starts losing bass. This Harman kardon, when you turn it up, the bass still thumping when you turn it up, and that's what I like. Like I said, the main thing, man, it sounds good inside the car, which is the main thing for me. I don't really care about how it sounds outside the car. I'm not outside the car. And my days of trying to beat the block down is over. You know what I mean? So I think the Harman kardon system is definitely worth the investment. If you can afford to add it to your order, if you're about to order a system, because I mean, I'm satisfied with it. Even, you know, when you use the XM radio, it comes through clear. You can hear the bass, no problems at all. So I hope that answered your question. I'm trying to make this video too long. Again, it's hard to judge the system without being here in the car. You can change the volume from behind the steering wheel, and you also can change the track from the other side of the steering wheel. Everything is super easy to get to. You know, with the steering wheel and everything, man. I believe the subs are back there. Of course, you got the speakers right here on both sides. So again, it supposedly has 19 speakers, but I have yet to locate each and every speaker, and I'm not about to. But to answer your question, does it sound good? Yes. Does it hit hard for me? Yes, it does. So if you're thinking about getting, I see the little sparkling a little bit right there. Look at that. Yeah. I still gotta get the ceramic put on this car, man. I don't know when I'm gonna do it. It is not cheap. And right now, I got a lot going on. Trying to get through some things. So I really just don't have $1,500 to throw on this car right now, because that's just gonna have to wait. But I do have some mods coming in. Due to everything that's going on, I gotta wait for my mods to come in, and you guys gonna be surprised at some of the things I do to this car. But right now, I'm enjoying the way this joint look right now. It's just nice and chill. I don't have a whole bunch of stuff all over it. Like, I mean, I don't have everybody do what they want to do to their car, but I keep getting people hitting me up saying, why don't you put this on your car? You don't put that sticker on your car. Bruh, I'm not putting no stickers on my car. I don't have nothing against it. Everybody do what they do with their car, but I'm not going to do that to this joint. I like the way this paint look. I don't want to mess it up, but I am going to put a wrap on here. I decided I am, but I'm not going to wrap the whole car. I got some little tasteful things I'm going to do to it to change it up a little bit, and I think you guys going to like it. So that's coming soon, so stay tuned. I haven't had a chance to get out to the track yet. That's something else I want to do. So let me get out of here. I'm at my little spot. Let me get out of here. So I hope that answered your question, man. People been asking me about the Harman kardon system. I think it's pretty dope. Again, it all depends on what kind of music you like to listen to. I mean, I listen to a lot of hip hop music. And it comes through clear, man. Hit hard. If you listen to like classical, like R&B music like that, sounds really good with this Harman kardon system. I'm impressed, man. I'm really impressed. I didn't think it was gonna sound this good. And again, it came with the car. Like I didn't order it. It came, the car already had it in here. And I didn't even realize it until one day I was looking around. I said, oh man, this junk got the Harman kardon system in it. That day I did that walk around review, that's when I realized, I said, oh shoot, I gotta do a review on that. And then I started getting questions about it. So if this is your first time on my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Look under the video, you got the merch. I appreciate everybody who been buying the merch. I really appreciate it. People supporting the channel, man. Like I said, I got some more merch coming to change it up a little bit. But I really appreciate everybody. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. And I see you guys on the next video. Peace.